The Mysterious Box. In a small town, there lived a curious child named Musa. Musa loved exploring old things and asking big questions. One rainy afternoon, Musa was stuck at home and decided to explore the attic. While looking through dusty books and boxes, Musa found a strange, glowing wooden box. It had no keyhole, no button, just carvings of stars and moons. Musa touched it, and suddenly, it opened on its own. Inside were small notes, each one had a message written in golden letters. Help without being asked. Speak truth even when it's hard. Be brave when you're scared. Musa was confused. It wasn't treasure, toys, or magic spells, it was advice. The next day, Musa saw a classmate drop all their books in the hallway. Remembering the first note, Musa rushed to help. Later, Musa told the truth when they accidentally broke a vase at home, though it was hard. And during a school play, even with stage fright, Musa went on stage and did their part. Slowly, Musa realized those notes were magic. Not the kind with sparkles and wands, but the kind that makes you better. Musa kept the box safe and read one note every week. It became their secret guide to being kind, honest, and brave. Moral: the greatest treasure is wisdom, and using it makes you truly magical.